Hello year 3, Mr. Steve is here. Today we are going to start learning together by using YouTube videos. So when I tell you to open the book, you can always do that at home. And of course you can always stop the video so you will have time to open your book. Or if you need a pencil, then you can just stop the video, you can use your pencil and you can write with me. But first and foremost, let's start with a little rhyme in our book. Please open it at page 81. Yes. And let's say it with me. Miss Lucy had a baby. His name was Tiny Tim. She put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap. He tried to eat the bathtub, but it wouldn't go down his throat. Miss Lucy called the doctor. Miss Lucy called the nurse. Miss Lucy called the lady with the alligator purse. Mumps, said the doctor. Measles, said the nurse. Hiccups, said the lady with the alligator purse. Out went the doctor. Out went the nurse. Out went the lady with the alligator purse. Sometimes I need to disappear because I constantly need to check my phone that it's really filming what's happening here. So sorry about that. Good. I hope you can remember that we were learning about magnets. Attract, repel. Attract, repel. Red, blue. South, north. They attract. But if it has like two south poles really close to each other, if we have that, then repel. Good. So, you know, some birds can use these magnetic fields in navigation. So, we are going to deal with birds today. Look at these. Bird species, madárfajok. You can always repeat what I'm saying. Flock of birds, madárraj. Habitat, élőhely. Migrate, elköltözik. Migration, elköltözés. Migratory bird, költöző madár. Okay, do you know the names of some of the birds which are here in Hungary? Let's see. Please open your book at page 57, this one, 57, and at the top you can find that image. First, you can't see the actual names of the birds. Use your pencil and write the names there. Wild goose, vadlúd, crane, daru, pigeon, galamb, robin, vörösbegy, great-tit, széncinke, sparrow, veréb, swallow, füstifecske, whitestalk, fehérgólya, blackbird, feketerigó. So, if you stop the video now, you can write the names of the birds with a tick. Later you will just symbolize whether they are migratory or not, but first, write the names of the birds there on the line. Did you do that? Then, check please. Wild stork, wild goose, crane, great-tit, pigeon, swallow, sparrow, blackbird, robin. Okay, but which of these are the migratory birds? You know, they go to different continents in winter because they need food, and in winter they can't find any. So, let's see. The stork, migratory, it goes to Africa, especially eastern parts of Africa. Some of them go to western parts of Africa. Wild goose, migratory. You can also write M there, but please use these little boxes. For me, those boxes are too tiny, so this is why I'm using bigger letters, okay? Crane, they are always here, so they are not migratory. Great-tit, that's not migratory, no. So, you know what? I'm going to write here are resident bird. Resident bird. Yeah? Pigeon, resident bird, because it's always here. Swallows, migratory birds. Sparrows, they are always here, so resident birds. Blackbirds, resident birds, and resident birds. Okay, so let's read about these special types of birds. I hope you can see the text well. Please read it with me. Ready, steady, go. In autumn and in winter, the weather changes. The temperature of the air gets lower and lower. Birds find less and less food. Some bird species migrate to warmer habitats. This is called migration. Birds migrate in autumn and in spring. Migratory birds fly away so that they can find food, lay their eggs, and the young birds can grow. Birds use different methods to navigate and find their way. Some birds use the sun and the stars to navigate. Some also use landmarks like rivers, mountains, or coastlines. Some use smell, others follow the other birds in the flock. Some fear the Earth's magnetic field. These birds can use tiny grains of a mineral in their heads. This mineral is magnetite and it works like a compass. So, which bird has this little magnet in its head? Yeah, you're right. The stork. So this is a migratory bird. So which one is the odd one out? The migratory bird, the stork. Okay, I have some more. Birds here. Some of them are resident birds, like the pheasant. It's always here in Hungary. Some of them just leaves Hungary. They are migratory birds. So which is which? Let's see. Swallow, fecske. That's a migratory bird. Wild goose. Oh, again, they just fly here and there everywhere. Stork. Definitely. Pigeon. They are resident birds. There are always pigeons in parks, even in winter. Pheasant. That also hides in long grass in Hungary as well, even in winter. And the eagle. That's also here, always, even in winter. So, hopefully I can move this around a bit and we can see the answer. All answers are correct. So please remember these birds and whether they are migratory or resident birds, and then you will write a perfect test later. Okay, now you need your pencil case because we have some things to write. Look at the map, that's what they say here. You can see the routes of some European migratory birds. Look, swallow, fecske, eagle, sas, stork, gólya, crane, falcon, wheat eater, pelican. Please find the Hungarian name of wheat eaters. I'm waiting for that answer. And pelican is well known. Where do they spend the winter? All these birds. Look, they fly from Europe. They are just touching some parts of Asia, and then they end up there in Africa. So, they spend the winter in Africa. Hopefully your writing will be much nicer with this thing. It's quite hard to write. So they spend the winter in Africa. You can stop the video and write it down. Oh, I think we made a mistake and you didn't tell me. Look at the crane. It's not a resident bird. It is also a migratory bird. Could you please correct that? Thank you. Now then, if you have all the migratory and resident birds, all you need to do is this. Read the text in the book at least 3 times. You can always practice if you just go back a bit in the video. Then practice saying the names of the birds here in our special test which we did earlier and here in this task. If you have that, then it's good. I'm going to send you more tasks later. Until then, keep up good work, good luck, bye bye.